Guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video we're doing my first impressions of the new Makeup by Mario contour stick. I have the shades in medium and medium dark. First things first, if you like to watch, I'm gonna work makeup reviews and first impressions of new makeup products. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you're a makeup enthusiast. If you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell so be notified every time I upload my videos. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's go get started. I mentioned on my previous video, it was the Makeup by Mario video that I uploaded maybe 3 or 4 days ago, that I purchased the contour stick from his website because it wasn't available in Sephora. I think also in stores. It's still not available, guys. And I'm looking at the app right now, still not available. So I also mentioned that they use DHL. So I wasn't really happy about that because I had a very bad experience with DHL, maybe twice or maybe 3 times. Very slow, shipping very slow. They almost lost my package. But I was wrong. I got my package very early, way too early, which I was really like surprised. I was so happy, so happy. So they came through. So I'm very happy. Okay, moving on. Here are the mini cartons. Of very black, matte white packaging, same as the rest of the products. And then let me show you guys the packaging. So I have the shades in medium and medium dark. So I'm also gonna show you swatches of the shades medium and medium dark. So really nice matte packaging. It says by Mario. And then this I'm not sure if I mentioned, this has 10.5 grams or 0.37 ounces. I'm not sure if this is like the typical amount. I mean, I never tried contour sticks before, so I'm not sure if this is too much or less. Please let me know, guys. Please comment down below because I'm not really sure. I never tried contour stick products before. So this is going to be my first time, so I'm very excited. I don't contour my face with contour stick products, like I mentioned. Keep repeating myself all the time. Okay, so they retail for $28, made in Italy, and he came up with 6 shades. So I have the shades medium and medium dark. So it came with a built-in removable brush, which I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the shade medium. So this is how much the product inside. Pretty okay, I guess. I'm not sure. So let's see. And then the brush, I also watched this video specifically for this one. You can actually take this out. It's a built-in removable brush so that you can clean it up. And okay, so I'm trying. How do you put this back? Okay. Oh my god, I'm having a hard time putting this back. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there you go. Ooh, okay. And you can see like bumps around the brush, like in the middle part. I watched Makeup by Maria's videos specifically for the contour stick. He mentioned that if you want something like Instagram look, like dramatic, you want to contour in the hollow of your cheeks right here. And then if you want something everyday, soft, skin-like, you want to, the way you do is just smile. And then just apply the product right here, I guess where you apply the blush, I believe. So I'm gonna do that. And one thing I noticed about his products, I've been using products for almost 3 days. They are very soft, skin-like. Like in person, I look like I do not wear makeup at all. Like somebody's gonna ask me if you want that type of expression, like somebody asks you like, are you wearing makeup because you look healthy and glowy, you look beautiful. These are the type of products you want to try, guys. So like no makeup, but you actually wearing makeup. I hope it makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna test out the shade medium. Yes, I'm gonna smile and apply it right here. I'm gonna go all the way up because I want a little snatch cheekbones, although my cheekbones are really nice thanks to my dad. And then on my other side, I'm gonna apply the shade medium dark. There you go. And then I guess I'm gonna apply a little bit on my forehead. You said that if you want natural, whatever's left on the brush, you just apply it on my forehead. But I'm gonna apply this directly to my forehead. And then just this side. I hope I don't look crazy right now. So this is going to be my thumbnail. Okay. I'm gonna use this one, and he also mentioned to tap it, not drag it. So let's see. I only set my under eyes, the rest of my face I did not. So I'm just gonna do what he said. So I'm just gonna tap it, not drag it. Dab it, I should say, not tap it, dab it. I really like this color. See, not muddy and orange. This is a really, really good neutral undertone, not too gray, at least for my skin tone. This is pretty. And you can see, guys, that is pretty. The brush, not a big fan of this though. So I'm just gonna blend this out. Maybe I'm gonna use another brush. I'm not a big fan of this brush. I'm gonna use this brush, almost similar. This is the Sonia Kashuk, as you can see, very similar shape. So I'm just gonna use this one because I'm just not like having it. So I'm just gonna use the, just, you know what, I'm gonna drag it a little bit. You can see, guys, very, very pigmented, but very easy to blend. It's applying seamlessly, and I like it's a little darker than the powder bronzer, this one. So there you go. This is the shade medium, blended very, very easily. It did not pick up my foundation. So very nice. Looks really, really natural. I really like the bronzy look that I'm having right now on this side. And then on my other side, I'm gonna use another brush. So this is an angled brush. And I'm gonna do is same thing, just gonna tap it. Tap, not tap, dab it. Oh my god, I'm getting confused. So this was a slightly darker, of course, and very nice. I like this color too. I could see myself wearing both shades actually. Wow. So as you can see, guys, really, really nice undertone too. Not muddy, gray, red, and very, very creamy. Whatever's left in here, I think I'm gonna apply here on this side only, because you know this is where the medium dark side. So I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of this powder, but before that, show you guys my face right now. So you can see, blended beautifully, very nicely. I didn't have issues with the contour stick. Only the brush though, wasn't a big fan of the brush, so not a big fan. And then I think the brush is gonna get messy because I feel like it's doesn't close all the way, like the brush gets stuck or the bristles get stuck all the time. I think it's gonna, yeah, it's not, I'm having a hard time closing this without messing up the brush. It's only a bad thing. All right, so there you go, guys. Very nice. I'm not gonna apply blush, maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Makeup by Mario blush in the shade Cream Peach, and just slightly uh, dab this one on top. And also you can apply powder bronzer on top of the cream if you want to, but I'm just gonna let it be. Very nice. I'm very impressed with this. And then for the highlighter, I'm gonna use the shade Pearl. Very skin-like, again, very soft. Okay, my final thoughts. So I'm very impressed with the contour stick. I'm very impressed. Like the undertones of the shades medium and medium dark. They didn't look muddy, orange on me, didn't look gray. They apply beautifully, they apply seamlessly. They look so natural, very skin-like, very soft, like the rest of the products from Makeup by Mario. I really like this whole collection, like soft skin-like collection. Very happy because in person all of the products, they look very soft. Like I do not look like I'm wearing makeup at all. So I'm very happy. I really like the formulation. Really nice, very creamy, did not feel sticky, oily, and been blended beautifully. So I'm very impressed. The packaging is also nice. The only thing that I did not like was the brush. I did not like the brush. It was too stiff for my liking. So that's the only thing. But overall, I really like the contour stick. Really nice undertones, guys. I have the shade in medium dark. If you want to try out these two, I am light to light medium with neutral undertones. So let me know about the new collection for Makeup by Mario. If you've tried anything for Makeup by Mario, please let me know. Please comment down below. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.